real fast. I just quit my job that I've had for 8 years. We're about to jump on a plane, but I wanted to let you guys know what we're trying to do. So Ellen and I started a company about a year ago. It's called Factory Town. And while we've been struggling to get that thing off the ground, we've also had our feet in 2 different places. She was working part-time, I was working full-time. When you work for somebody, it's tough to have that big vision. And if you do, you have to live it out in other parts of your life. I mean, that could be a lot of different places. Some people, they're community organizers. Some people, they run groups at church. And Ellen and I, the thing we wanted to do was take that vision and put it into our company. This one. We're not trying to do a world takeover. We're not trying to be branders. We don't want to work in the same constraints or the same boxes that a lot of companies are forced to. And even though, we're jumping into the vlog world because that's where the eyeballs are, we really want to make this thing into something that, maybe you haven't seen before. So we don't know what that is. And we hope that you're interested enough to come back and listen again. So yeah, we have to jump on a plane, and Ellen doesn't know where we're going, but it's going to be a reset. It's not a 10-day meditation. It's not, it's not going to the beach. It's not skydiving. But it's something that I think for what we're trying to do next, this is a great first step. A first step in the middle of many steps, but the first step of the next 1,000 steps. So I hope you guys will come along. By you being here, that's making me accountable, that's making Ellen accountable, that's helping us out. But for you, we hope that we can show you what it's like to start a company. But, that's for a later time. We'll see what comes next, and we hope you guys come along with us. All right. Thanks. How do you do this? You do a swipe? Let's see, I could do one of these, one of those, and then I'll be gone. Oh, that'd be cool. Okay, see you in the next one.
Get out of here. Nobody wants you here anymore.
Nobody likes you. Get out.
What did I tell you to say, Ryan?
Oh, you're doing video?
Yeah, what did I tell you to say?
Get out of here?
Yeah, that's right.
Raj is gone. Raj is gone.
He's gone. He's finally gone.